Hey, it's Daps here, and in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can get Fable 5 literally for free. And when I mean for free, I mean legitimately. Yes, we all know what Fable 5 can do. Is a fantastic AI model since when Anthropic has launched this, but unfortunately, it's not available for a lot of people. So I want to show you two ways that I get to use Fable 5 literally for free. So without further ado, let me take you to my screen. Let's get started. I have a pro plan with Claude and I still get to use Fable 5. However, very limited. As a matter of fact, I should not have access to it right now, but you can still see I still have Fable 5 here, and this is still available until July the 12th. And you can see you can use it up to 50% of your weekly limit on Fable 5. Then it runs on usage credit. Fable 5 draws down usage much faster than Opus 4.8, and that's the challenge with using Fable 5. It takes a lot of credit. Initially, I was supposed to stop access to using it July the 2nd. Now they've added 10 more days, July the 12th. So I don't know, maybe they will say extend the ability for me to use it literally for free here. So that's the first way. Go check your Claude and see if you have access to it. And the second method to get this done is by using an app called V0. And V0 is by Vessel. So if you use Vessel, you should know V0. If you want to get access to V0, I'll leave a link to that in the video description. And the beauty about it is that if you use the link in the video description, you will be able to get access to $5 credit that you can test with. And from here, you can see that I can use Fable 5 literally for free. So if I click here, you will see that I can use V0 Mini, V0 Pro, Max, Fast, and then I can use Fable 5. So you might be saying to me now that even if I sign with your link, I just get $5. What on earth can $5 build for me? I want more credit to use this literally for free. And let me show you exactly how to get that. So if you come here, V0 have something called, so if you come to your profile here, you should be able to see this option here for refer. So you can say I have $5 credit here. So if you come to refer, you can see that you can invite and earn up to $200 per month in terms of credit. And that's exactly how to do this. So right now you can copy your link, like I have that link also in the video description. The beautiful thing about this is that both you sharing the link and the person using the link get to enjoy a $5 credit. So you can see, copy your link and invite friends. Each sign up and both $5. So once these people just sign up, you get $5, they get $5, and then when they subscribe, you both get $20 in credit. So that's a win for you. This is the easiest way, especially if you have some form of following online, maybe on your Facebook, on your Instagram, whatever, a community. Just go there and share this link for enthusiasts and tell them that they can build something by themselves. They can use Fable 5 to build an amazing app. Maybe I'm going to build something because there's a funny app in my mind right now that I'm thinking I should build. Maybe I'm going to do that before I end this video. And that's just the easy way for you to get $50, $100, $200 per month for you to keep using Fable 5 literally for free every other month. Please use my link. That's the only way I get to also keep using Fable 5. So that's exactly how you work online, right? So if you don't really fancy the idea of using your personal social media platform, or you don't have any following, consider platforms like Reddit. You can just come here and just type in vibe coding, for example. So you can see vibe coding here. Go around there and check communities around vibe coding, and then participate in those community and paste your link there. Tell them they can use Fable 5.0 literally for free, and then put your link there. They will get $5 credit for them to start testing. And then you can see lots of communities here around vibe coding, vibe code devs. You can see vibe coding community. And everybody just love the idea of vibe coding now. It makes vibe coding, it means that vibe coding is trending, and a lot of people will jump on any link that will give them access to not any random AI model or client, but Fable 5. Wow, that's it. So Jump on Reddit, go on Quora. You can come here too and just search for vibe coding. Just search for vibe coding community, so you'll see a lot of a vibe coding future. You'll be able to see a lot of community here around vibe coding that you can paste. If you also have access to Discord, you can go to your channel on Discord and post there. You can go to Facebook, for example. You can see, just type in vibe coding here. I have vibe coding is live. This group have access to over 300k members. So if you join this group, you probably will be able to. So you can see from here, vibe coding support. You can see this is a 7.2 member. So this is how you can get 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 people just get access to $5 free. And then for every time they use it, you also get $5. And anytime they subscribe to any paid plan, both of you get $20 literally for free. So this is exactly how to get access to Fable 5 literally for free. I have this idea of an excuse generator app that would be useful for employees that just want that have excuse for not going to work, and then they are looking for the best way to generate those excuses. Something that crazy in my mind. Let's experiment with Fable 5 and let's see if Fable 5 can build something like that for us. So let's see. Let's experiment. Let's see if this is even working. So if I come here, let's close this. Fable 5 is selected here. So I have a prompt here from ChatGPT that I want to use for this. If I open it up, it will say build me a fun, modern, and responsive web app called Excuse Generator. The app should be able to help generate funny excuses based on three choices. Who needs this excuse? And blah, 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 blah. Let's just paste this in. Let's see if Fable 5 is really working, and let's see what it can build for us. All right, I think this is done here. So I have a preview here. It's been here for a while, but this just went out. I don't know why that is. But let's open the app in a new browser. You can see I now have my excuse generator app here. Very funny idea, really. But I think I can even improve on this idea to build something. So yeah, who needs my excuse? Let's say I want to give my employee, and let's say late to work, and let's say we want this to be believable. And now let me generate an excuse. Let's see if this app is working. And then yeah, you can see the train was stopped between stations for 40 minutes with no announcement. I have the delay alert to prove it. Wow, this is crazy. And then you can copy this, you can try it again, and you can even share this directly on WhatsApp. This was built with a single prompt. That's crazy. Crazy excuse you can even ever give. Let's test another one here. Let's work with husband. Let's say you forgot a birthday, and let's make this unhinged. Let's generate an excuse. Let's say uh, I forgot your birthday because I think of you as timeless, ageless, eternal. Do not check the date on this message. Wow. That's crazy. Wow. So that's it. That's just the power of Fable 5. Fable 5 can just bring life to whatever idea comes to your mind. It can build it. And most times with a single prompt, this AI does the magic. So what are you waiting for? Start using Fable 5 literally for free today. The link to start is in the video description. Thanks for watching. All the best trying out Fable 5. And do share your crazy idea that you have built with 5 in the comment. I would literally want to hear that from you too as well. And let me know if my idea is crazy. Really, that was what came to my mind. I'll see another one. And until then, take care.